Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and anyone who has worked with us when we've installed landscapes knows that it is really important for us to have the work go well and make sure that when we leave the job each and every day that your place looks nice and that we haven't left any mud or left any tracks. A few of the ways that we do that is we have some new tools we've been using. One is a mini wheel loader. A lot of companies you'll see use what are called mini skid steers, and those are the ones that have usually they'll have tracks on them, like tank tracks. And what we found when we tried using these in our landscapes was they damaged the lawn, and you could see where they were running. So we've started using this mini wheel loader that has balloon tires on it. Number one, it allows us to be able to haul out dirt and to be able to haul river rock and those types of things. A lot of times we'll be taking away dirt from your beds to make sure that we've allowed plenty of room for putting in compost. Allows us to haul that over to our dump trailer without damaging your lawn because it has those balloon tires on it. Another piece of equipment that we have started using is a gas-powered wheelbarrow. And for similar reasons, this allows us to work in your backyards because it's very narrow and can fit through most gates. So when we are hauling river rock or mulch or those types of things, we can take those in and out of your backyards with and be able to do that efficiently. The crew doesn't get nearly as tired, and it also, because it has, again, those balloon tires, doesn't damage your lawn or your landscape. And then the last thing that we have begun using are plastic tracks that fit together, and they actually attach to one another. And we'll lay those across your lawn so that as we're running the various equipment and wheelbarrows up and down your lawn, that even if it's wet, even if it's muddy, then we're not tracking all that across your lawn, and we're not leaving ruts in your lawn. Again, for our crew, and we know for you, it's very important when we finish your work that you have a really nice looking landscape and one that's clean as we leave each day. So these are just some of the ways that we're working to make sure that our landscapes finish and look really, really nice for you. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Ken with Village Green, growing plants, growing people, and growing relationships.